Excelsior High School students are now benefiting from the rewards of the recently staged Ali Cup football competition. However, as we'll hear in this report, sports is being used as a driving force to help student athletes.
The recent staging of the Excelsior High School Ali Cup competition has borne fruit for 4 students of the Mountain View Avenue-based institution. Played in August, 4 students were recently awarded scholarships worth up to $125,000 for the remainder of the school year. While it will help with stationery supplies, National Youth Cricket representative and Excelsior Manning Cup player Michael Clark looks at the bigger picture.
Yes, it will help because I won't have to go in my pocket and find. I got help from somebody, which I'm very grateful for. Just want to make the best use of it and make them proud that they didn't waste their money on us.
For Principal Dean Roy Brumfield, the profile of the school makes it essential that student athletes and other students get help.
Excelsior has students from largely lower socioeconomic groups. Yes, many of them coming from inner cities, many of them from parents who are sometimes not even fully employed. This has become worse since the COVID-19. You know, our economy is just recuperating. Many people lost their jobs. Many people who were self-employed were unable to earn to the level that they had before.
Former Manning Cup winner with the school, Christopher Bailey, says a touching moment sprung his committee into motion to aid the students.
Her mom spoke to the vice principal, Mrs. Tomlinson. So Mrs. Tomlinson reached out to us and said, we need to help this child. So we, as past student, Ali Cup Green and Yellow Committee, we look into it and we say, okay, we have to go and help this child that in dire need. She didn't have bus fare, she didn't have lunch money to come to school, she was crying. So we were very helpful to that student. So we go ahead and she's one of the honorary here today, as we said, and we are proud that we could help and assist students. And
this helps other students, especially the ones who are not so financially stable, and helping them get to school and school fee and stuff like that.
The Ali Cup was staged for the 4th time following a 2-year break caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and is named after Alan Cole Jr., who passed away in 2017. Cole Jr. is a past Excelsior Manning Cup star who won the competition in 1989. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.